Hey my friends, welcome to Joey's Tech. In this video, I will show you how to install the Numpy library in Python 3.14 on Windows 11 step by step. We'll create a virtual environment, activate it and install Numpy cleanly. There won't be any errors and there won't be any confusion if you watch this video till the end. So let's get started. First, let's confirm if Python and pip are installed correctly. To do that, you are going to click on the Windows icon and type cmd in the search to open the command prompt. Once the command prompt is open, you are going to type python space hyphen version and then you are going to type pip space hyphen version. If you see the versions of Python and pip getting displayed, then you are good to go. If you don't have Python 3.14 installed and if you want to install it, then watch this video in the I button. We are now going to create a folder where our project and virtual environment will live. I am going to create that folder in my desktop, but you can choose to create it wherever you want. So using the cd command, let's go to the desktop. And here using the mkdir command, we are going to create a folder called Numpy project. It has to be Numpy. Let's hit enter. And you can see a folder in the name of Numpy project has been created. Now we are going to go inside this folder using the cd command. You are now going to create a virtual environment. Creating a virtual environment helps keep your dependencies isolated so one project won't mess with another. The command to create a virtual environment is very simple. All you have to do is write python space -m venv space the name of the virtual environment. Let's call it numpy_venv. Hit enter. And if this command is successful, that means virtual environment is successfully created. You see the command is successful. So this has created a folder named numpy_venv containing a separate copy of Python 3.14. Now activate the virtual environment to use it. The command to activate it is numpy_venv, that means our virtual environment, /scripts /activate. Hit enter. You can see numpy_venv has become active. With the environment numpy_venv now active, let's install Numpy using pip. So the command is pip install numpy. Hit enter. This downloads and installs the latest Numpy version compatible with Python 3.14 and pip is going to handle dependencies automatically. You can see it says successfully installed Numpy 2.3.4. You can confirm the installation by listing all installed packages. The command is pip space list. You can see Numpy is appearing over here. Let's also make sure that Numpy is working. So we are going to open a Python shell by typing simply Python. The shell is open. We are going to import Numpy. So we'll write import Numpy as np. If this statement is successful, that itself is going to prove that Numpy is installed correctly. There you go. Now we are going to print its version as well. So within the brackets of print, we are going to write np dot _version . Hit enter and it prints 2.3.4, the same version that we installed just now. We press Ctrl D to move out of the shell and then we are going to write the deactivate command to deactivate the virtual environment, and this takes you back to your global system environment. And with this, we have come to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed learning how to install the Numpy library in Python 3.14 on Windows 11 from this video of Joey's Tech. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye and take very good care of yourself.